Alright, so let's just stuff one of these. I already stuffed 3 of the tires. Let's stuff this last one. Hey guys, welcome back to Revolution XRC and welcome to the next part of this Vanquish VRD Carbon Kit build series. In this part of the series, we are going to be adding the wheels and tires. Now, for this rig, I'm going to be using J Concepts Ruptures tires. Believe it or not, I've had these since 2018, but I've never used them. Mainly because most of my rigs were scale rigs, and these aren't really exactly a scale looking tire. They perform really well, but it just didn't fit the look of my scale rigs at the time. But since this is a Vanquish VRD Carbon kit, and the idea for this kit isn't really exactly scale running, but just slaying lines, I will be using these tires, and I think these will be the perfect tire for this kit. Yep, I've had these since 2018, believe it or not. But these are the Ruptures in green compound, and that's about it. For the foams, I'm going to be using what I have on hand, and what I have on hand are these Proline dual stage foams. So, I mean, use the foam that you like. Some like 3D printed inserts, some like Crawler Innovations foams. There's also these Proline foams. Some people don't like them. I'm okay with them. I'll try them out. If I don't like them, I'll use something else. Another thing is I've also vented the tires. I've added 4 vent holes in each tire. So, since this is more performance oriented and I'm not going to be driving in any water or anything like that, I don't mind venting the tires. I usually do not like venting the tires because I'm usually trail running, but for this, in this case, I will be venting the tires. And I also have these 1.9 beadlock wheels. They're a little bit wider than most wheels, so I did have to buy these spaced out hex hubs to kind of space it out a little bit. But I'll put a link to all of this stuff in the description below, and let's get going. Alright, so let's just stuff one of these. I already stuffed 3 of the tires. Let's stuff this last one. Alright, got one tire mounted up. It's in here, it's vented, and that is 1 down, 3 more to go. Alright, we've got all 4 bead locks mounted up to these J-Concepts ruptures, and we're ready to mount them out on the chassis. Alright, and that is the wheel tire combination that will be used on this Vanquish VRD Carbon kit. It's going to be really nice. Good tires, vented tires, so it's going to have some nice action there. The ruptures, of course, have really good traction as well. And that about does it for this part of the build series. I can't wait to get the body on. We'll talk about these later. Pretend you didn't see that. I'll talk about this in the next episode. But anyway, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and hit that notification bell for the next part of this Vanquish VRD Carbon kit build series. Thanks for watching.